In light of recent events going around the world, we wanted to take a moment and talk about the global pandemic, COVID-19, and the novel coronavirus.
We know a lot of people are worried about this new virus and are wondering how best to stay safe. So today, we have some tips to help you get through this difficult season.
Number one, wash your hands. Hand washing needs to be thorough. The amount of time you spend is key.
One great way to time yourself is to wash for as long as it would take you to chug 2 glasses of beer. I'll show you.
You can even have a friend chug for you to keep track while you wash. See? Easy.
Stop touching your face. We know it's fun, but outside of making sure it's all there, you don't need to touch your own face. If it helps, put a bag over your head to reduce temptation.
Three, cover your mouth. We know sometimes it's tempting to cough or sneeze in someone else's mouth, but for now, let's not do that. Instead, use your beard. Brian.
And 4, don't panic. Panic doesn't solve anything. But you know what solves panic? That's right, beer.
The next time you get the urge to wipe your local grocery stores out of toilet paper, bottled water, count to 10 slowly and pour yourself a nice cold glass of 3-bowl beer and quit being a moron. 5, drink beer. Beer is alcohol, and we know alcohol kills germs, right? It's science. So now, more than ever, it's a perfect time to drink copious amounts of beer.
Every beer you drink is one step closer to saving the world from COVID-19. Plus, everything's shut down. So what else are you gonna do?
Do your part and drink up, world. In all seriousness, be safe out there.
And from 3-Bowl Brewing, cheers.